This is Lokogoma, a satellite town in Nigeria's capital, Abuja. Over the years, residents in this town have lived in fear due to incessant flooding during the rainy season. For every rain in the community, lives and properties are washed away. These developments, however, prompted the attention of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, who, after several visits to the suburb, issued a 2-week ultimatum for owners of buildings on floodplain and water channels to evacuate such properties.
Move from estate to estate, where we have this constriction of the stream corridor. Those structures identified, we are going to capture them as we had earlier on indicated. We are coming back next week for proper implementation of that decision. So that's why we're here this morning. And luckily, I could see that some of the structures were marked as far back as 2018.
The authorities, however, matched his words with action at the expiration of the ultimatum. While some residents applauded the exercise, others cited other options the Federal Capital Territory Administration could have considered.
We spent so much money here. We came in here, we bought land. We didn't plan for this. Millions have gone down. Look at the work we've done. Look at the drainage we've done. Look at the bridge we've done here. Millions have gone down. So whatever we are doing, let's put that human face into it.
Lokogoma is not only the suburb in the capital territory with flooding challenge. For the FCT authorities, Cafe and Karasana might just be the next point of call. Paul David, CNN News.